FundMore operates in sort of an ecosystem around financial institutions today, and whether that be in mortgage lending, whether that be in insurance. And in order to solve those challenges, we really had to build out these sort of four pillars of our business today, which, number one is started with an IT services arm, which allowed us to, support our financial institutions, building, what they would like to see as sort of their, or operate as their sort of magic sauce, and build out the technology around that. Then number two was building out the BPO service. So this is an operation that supports HR, finance, IT, and human augmentation to their workforce to be able to provide the human capital to actually execute things more cost effectively. And that's actually now spurred into not just working with financial institutions, but also into the startup ecosystem. And then, three was, our obviously our core product company. And this is what got us, got the engine running, building out the solutions that are core to operations for financial institutions to adjudicate loans and be able to fund those loans. And then the last one, which I think is, the most exciting one for me, is this idea of FundMore Labs, which is a ability to take the challenges we're seeing internally and externally with our partners, and then rapidly build an MVP product, which can then be dispersed across, our different business lines, which gives us a big advantage, I think, because when you look at, some of those incubators that exist out there, they're often, different ideas coming in and wrapping sort of advisors and community around them to try to bring them out to market. But a lot of the infrastructure, a lot of the support, and a lot of the go to market is all down to the founders. Because of what we're trying to solve and how we're thinking about this, we actually have the go to market solved. We have the financial institutions sitting there that we're already servicing. We have these different startups that we're already servicing. We have these large enterprises that we're building technology for already, that we're already servicing. And so being able to bring this concept of rapid ideation to MVP, and then proving it with the go-to-market solve, because we can bring it back through our trusted relationships, is a big advantage. And then we have our BPO company that can support that as well, which then provides an entire back office support, as I said before, from finance support to HR support to IT support.